Very good afternoon, my dear children. Today we will be discussing remaining workbook problems. Okay, so do you have any doubt in homework questions? It's very important to find division facts, how to find division fact from given multiplication fact. Everybody
No
should practice this
confusion.
more.
Good
Okay,
afternoon, ma'am.
very good afternoon. Now, everyone open your.
Call me.
Sorry?
Today will call me.
Yes, yes, wait. Okay.
Legend. Okay?
Yes. So, dear children, please take your workbook. Now we have to discuss question number 18. Till 17 we have discussed, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, open your book.
Page number.
Page number 18. Now I am
Question
going to
number.
mute you all. And I want Evelyn, please unmute and read the question.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
am opening. 1 minute.
Sorry? Yes. Open it and read. Page number 18.
18. 18.
Page number 18, question number 18.
Got.
Okay.
Got. Question number 18.
Mm.
20 children are
Mm.
started on
Seated
seated on a few bunches.
benches.
Bunches. There are equal number of children on each
Bench.
bench. If there are 5 benches, how many children are
Seated on each bench.
on each bench?
So, total how many children are there?
Total 20.
20 children are there. And how many benches are there?
5.
5 benches are there. So, 20 children are there. For 20 children, only 5 benches. We have to make them sit equally among these benches. So how their question is, in one bench how many children will be there? So 20 children are there, 5 benches are there. We have to find what will be the number of children on each bench if they are sitting equal number of children on each bench. So what will be the number of children? How we will find?
Number of
Ah,
children equal to 20.
very good. So first step will all of you can write along with me. Number of
Number
children.
of children equal to 20.
Yes.
Number
Step.
of benches equal to 5.
Very good. Then
Number of
page
children
18.
divided on each benches
Wait. Number of children equal to 20. Number of benches
benches.
equal
5.
to
5.
5. Next what do I have to write?
Number of
Ah,
children divided on each
ah,
bench.
Number of children.
Number of children divided on each bench
Number of children on each bench. That is enough. Okay. Number of children on each bench
equal to 20
Ah,
divided by 5
yes.
equal to
20.
4 children.
Wait. Oh, answer also you got. Okay. My dear children, here you have to check whether 20 is coming in the table of 5.
Ma'am, 4 children is correct.
Yes, dear. Correct answer. My dear children, 20 is coming in the table of 5. Anybody? Not coming. My dear Devanda, just revise the table of 5. Recollect. 1 5 is 2 5s are, 3 5s are. Yes, Evelyn. Is it coming? 20, is it coming in the table of 5? Yes. We will get what into 5 is equal to 20? Which number into 5 is equal to 20? 4. You can unmute and say, my dear. Agnel, unmute and say. 4 into 5 is equal to?
4. 4 into
Yes,
5
very
equal
good.
to 20.
4 into 5 is equal to 20. So from this, we can write 20 divided by 5 is equal to?
Ma'am. 4.
From this multiplication fact, if you are writing division fact,
4.
20 divided by 5 is equal to?
4.
4.
Ma'am.
So you write 4 children.
Ma'am, my answer is all answer correct.
Yes, your answer is correct. Very good. Okay. Now, next question. Rajan is waiting for a chance. Rajan, please wait. I'll give you. No. Please unmute and read next question.
Navneet buys 16 packs of seeds from a nursery. Each pack has 2 seeds. In each pot, how many pots does Navneet have?
Navaneet buy 16 packets of seeds from a nursery. So there are 16 packets of seeds and each pack contain how much? Each pack contain how many seeds? Again muted. Where is our Rajan? Rajan, please unmute and tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
How many packets of seeds are there total?
50 packets of seeds.
16 packs. And in each pack, how many seeds are there?
4.
4 seeds. So what will be the total number of seeds?
2.
Is it 2? Here, there are 16 packs and each pack there are 4 seeds. So how will find out total number of seeds?
416.
For?
40.
Do you want to add or subtract or multiply or divide? Sorry?
Divided. Divide, ma'am.
No, dear. We don't want to divide.
Subtraction.
Everything we will say. Yes. Agnel, what we have to do? Agnel, Sunil. Unmute and say. Any idea? To find total number of seats. My dear children, keep in mind one thing. See, every time division is used to divide the number of objects into equal group or to find number of objects in one group. If the objects are divided in equal groups, to find number of objects in one group, like that only we will do division. We won't use it for finding total number of object. Okay, division anyway we can't use to find. Anyway, we cannot take, cannot do for finding total number of objects. Amit can unmute and say. Yes, Amit. What do you want to say? Sorry?
Multiply.
Very good. Very good. Multiplication. Here, 16 packs are there and each pack has 4 seeds. So to find total number of seeds, you have to do 16 into 4. That is the one step. But that is not the question we have to find. We have to find how many pots needed. For that, it is given in one pot how many seeds he planned to plant. He plants how many seeds in one pot? Nobody knows. 2 seeds. So like that. So if we are planting like that, how many pots he needed? That only we have to find out. So first we have to find total number of seeds. That we have to divide by 2. Then you will get the number of pots we needed. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All of you start writing
Okay, ma'am.
along with me. Number of seeds
Okay, ma'am.
pack. You can mute your audio and write. Number of seeds pack. Seed packs. Equal to 16. Number of seeds in each packet or each pack. 4. Then next step we should find total number of seeds. For that we have to multiply 16 into 4. Do you all remember multiplication? 16 into
Yes,
4.
ma'am.
6 fours. First we have to multiply 6 fours are then 1 4 is. 6 fours are how much? 24.
25.
4 you can write down and
Ma'am,
2. Ah,
I join on now.
my dear, we are discussing now workbook problems. 19th question. Now reach 19th question. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now 1 4 is. Next we have to multiply 1 4 is. 1 4 is how much? 4. Very good. Then we have here one carryover 2 is there that you have to add. 4 plus 2? Plus 2, not multiplication. 4 plus 2? 6. So there are total 64 seeds. Can we stop? No, we have to. The question is how many pots needed? So for that we have to write the number of seeds or number of pots needed. We have to find out. Okay. So for that we have to know number of seeds planted in one pot. Please mute your audio, everyone. Planted in each pot. How many seeds planted in each pot? 2. So to find number of pots needed, you can divide the total number of seeds by the number of seeds in each pot. Total number of seeds and number of seeds in each pot you have to divide. 64 divided by 2. All of you try to do the division.
64 minus.
Not minus, my dear. It is division. 2 dots is there. Dots are there.
Okay, ma'am. 64.
Now, Bhumi, please unmute. Rajan, if you know, very good. Try to do yourself. Okay. Bhumi, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We can divide this 64 by 2. Let us divide. My dear, if you are writing the table of 2 till 10, will you get 24? Will you get 64 in that table? The table it is coming.
No, ma'am.
Bhumi?
No, ma'am.
No. So what we have to do? We have to write like this in the bracket and we have to divide the steps. Which are the steps you have to follow? C, D, M, S, D. So here, which digit we have to divide first? From which place we have to start the division? From left side or right side?
Left side.
Left side. Which is the first digit? Which is the left side digit here?
Q.
Dear, 2 is the divisor. It is outside the bracket.
6.
So 6. So we can first do the comparison. 6 is greater than 2 or less than 2?
Greater.
Greater than. So we can divide 6 by 2. Next step is division. For that, what we have to do? We have to write the table of 2 till
Table
we
of
get
2.
either 6 or less than nearest number. Okay. So 1, 2 is 2. 2 2s are
4.
4. Very good. 3 2s are
6.
6. We got the dividend 6. So from this step, 3 2s are 6. 6 divided by 2, what you will get? 6 divided by 2, what you will get?
3.
3. Yes, very good. From this, you will get 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. This 3 we can write as the quotient on the top of the bracket. So division, our next step is M for
Multiplication.
multiply. So 3 2s are, we have to multiply the quotient and divisor. 3 2s are
6.
6. What is the next step? Subtract. 6
Subtract.
minus 6. What you will get?
0.
0. What is the next step?
Bring down.
Bring down. You can bring down this number. Here 4 also is there to divide. So we
Four.
can bring down this 4.
4.
Now again we have to repeat all these steps to divide 4 by 2. So first, 4 is greater than 2 or less than 2?
Greater.
Greater. So comparison over. Next is division. For that you can see whether in the table 4 is coming or what. Yes. 4 into 2 you will get 4.
2 2s are
So from this, 4 divided by 2 is equal to
2.
2. So division over. Next is multiplication. 2 2s are
4.
2 2s are 4. Next step is subtraction. 4 minus 4,
0.
0. Here any more digits to divide?
No.
No. So we can stop the division. So which is the quotient here?
Ma'am?
What is the quotient you got? Answer.
32.
Yes, 32. We will say quotient. Okay. 32 is the quotient. So 32 pots he needed. Okay. So very good, Bhumi.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, finish.
Okay. Wait. Some are there to complete. Now, Akshaj. Akshaj,
Yes, ma'am.
read the next question.
Vinu buys 2 boxes of pencils. Each box has 12 pencils in it. He distributes the
Distributes.
pencils equally among 6
Among.
children. How many pencils does each child get?
Yes. So, how many pencil boxes are there?
2.
2 pencil boxes are there. You can underline 2, everyone. And each box, how many pencils are there?
12.
12 pencils are there. And these pencils he distributes equally among 6 children. That let it be there. So, 2 boxes are there. In each box, 12 pencils are there. So, what we have to find out first? total number of pencils. Then only we can divide among these 6 children. First, we have to know how many pencils are there together. How we will find total number of pencils?
12 pencils.
Only 12 pencil. 2 boxes are there. Each box contains 12 pencil. So what we have to do?
Number of pencils equal to 12.
We have to multiply
Very
Number of
2 into 12 or 12 into 2. So all of you write the steps. Number of pencil boxes
I cannot hear you properly.
equal to 2.
Pencil.
Number of pencils in
Pencil.
each box
Boxes.
equal to
Equal to 2.
12.
Number
Now we have to find
of
total number of pencils. For that, you have to divide 12 into 2. T-O. 12 into 2. What we will get? 2 twos are?
2 twos are 4. 4.
Yes. 1 2 is
2.
2. So, we will get 24 pencils are there together. Now, these 24 pencils we have to divide among how many children? 6 children. So, next step we can write number of children.
total box.
Number of children equal to 6. Now, 24 pencils are there and 6 children are there. 24 pencils, 6 children. To find the number of pencils each one will get, you have to divide 24 by 6.
6 6 ones are ഇതിൽ പോവില്ല അപ്പൊ 6 ones are 6 6 twos are 12 6
Number of pencils number of pencils each child gets equal to 24 divided by 6. My dear children, 24, is it coming in the table of 6? Anybody as the product? Yes. What into 6 you get 24?
6 into 4 is equal to 24. 6 into 4.
6 into 4. 6
4
into
into
4.
6 or 6 into 4 is equal to
4 into 6
24. From this 24 divided by 6, what we can write?
24 divided by 6.
Equal to
4.
4.
4.
Yes. Yes. So each children will get 4 pencils.
4 pencils.
Have you understood?
Yes.
ma'am.
So each child gets 4 pencils.
Pencil.
Number of children.
Yeah, if the dividend is coming in the table of divisor, you don't want to follow all the steps C, D, M, S, B. You can directly write it from the table. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Number of pencils each child gets. Number pencils.
Now, Agnel Sunil.
Yes.
Agnel Sunil, are you there?
Equal to
Agnel.
divided by
Agnel Sunil, can you hear me? Yes. Agnel. Others,
I
please
can
keep
say-
your audio muted. Let
I can say,
Agnel is there. If Agnel is there, please read.
I can say, I can say,
Wait. Please keep
I can
others'
say.
audio muted. And let anyway, he's not there, I think. So who is there to get chance? I will give because Hari, please unmute and read. Question number 21.
I do not complete.
Very good. So Akshaj, please read. Ivana was there. I didn't see you, my dear. Next day I'll give you a chance, Ivana. Okay. Akshaj, read.
21.
Hmm.
Question answer.
Question you have to read.
Beena spends
Hmm.
21 hours a week
Uh,
practicing
practicing.
practicing music and 28 hours a week studying.
Uh,
How much time does the spend in a day for
Yes.
these activities?
Yes. So, one it is given one. Consider 1 week equal to 7 days, and they are practicing all these 7 days. So, 21 hours in a week. They are practice. She is practicing music. She practice music. 21 hours in a week. 1 week equal to 7 days. So 7 days, 21 hours. So in one day, how we will find out, Adit? Please unmute and say. Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
In 7 days, 21 hours she is practicing.
Yes.
So in one day, how many hours?
1 day. 24 hours.
No, my dear. Aishwarya, can you say? In 7 days.
22.
Sorry,
21. 21.
Aishwarya. Sorry,
24. 24.
my dear Sia, I'm not asking that. I'm asking those who know can unmute and say, dear, in 7 days, 21 hours. So in one day, how many hours? How you will find out? At least say how you will find out. Ashwati also, if you know.
24 hours.
No, 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 no.
3 hours. 3
Sorry?
hours.
28. 28.
20.
Sia is wrong. Ambit, what do you want to say? Say.
3 hours. 3 hours.
Sorry? 3 hours. My dear children, in 7 days, he is spending 21 hours.
Ma'am, 3 hours.
So, in one day, he spent 21 divided by 7.
Is 3.
21 divided by 7, what you will get?
3.
21 is coming in the table of 7. Yes. 3 into 7 is equal to 21. So, 21 divided by 7 is equal to
3.
3. So, he spends 3 hours for, no need to write now, okay? Please don't write now, just understand.
3 hours.
3 hours he spent, in
3
one
hours.
day, he spent 3 hours for practicing music. Have you all understood?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
7 days, within
Yes, ma'am.
he spends 21 hours. So in one day, how much hours she spent. For that, we want to divide 21 by 7. 7 days, she spends 24 hours. So to know in 1 day, you have to divide 21 by 7. You will get 3 hours. Like that, in 7 days, she spent 28 hours for studying. So in 1 day, how many hours she will spend for studying? How you'll find?
28 divided by 7.
Oh, again, same 7 days itself. So 28 divided by 7. In 7 days, 28 hours. So to find in 1 day how many hours she spends for studying, you can divide 20. 4 hours because 4 into 7 is equal to 28. And our question is, what is the total time she spends in a day for studying and the practicing music? In 1 day, she spends 3 hours for music, 4 hours for study. So total how many hours she spent for all these activities?
7
3 hours plus 4 hours. You will get 7 hours. So once again, 3 hours she spent for practicing music, because in 1 week, that means 1 week means 7 days. That's why we have written 7 days, 21 hours. So in 1 day, only 3 hours. Like that, in 7 weeks, 28 hours she spent for studying. So in 1 day, 28 divided by 7, 4. So total in a day, how much time she spent for music and study? 4 plus 3, 7 hours. Okay. I will send this answer in the WhatsApp. Please copy it down. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the next class. Okay. So thank you, my dear children. Bye. See you next week.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.